In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our sample sheet effectively. So we have our samples with our colors, our text, and our brushes, and we want to be able to use them on our nameplate design. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to each of these colors. I'm going to add them to my swatches. So I'm going to select this box, the color is active. I'm going to hit this drop down, and I'm going to hit this little button right here, New Swatch. And it's going to save all the color information, hit OK. Now it's going to live right there in my swatches. Go to the next color, rinse and repeat, do the same thing. Add new color, hit OK. Next color, add new color, hit OK. Our last one, add new color, hit OK. Now all four of my colors are right here in my little swatches panel. From here, I'm going to select one of my brushes. So I'm going to select this brush right here. And we can see it instantly opens up our stroke, the width profile, and the brush type. So I'm going to click off so I don't modify that brush. I'm going to grab my brush tool, and I'm going to go to my painting layer. I want all this stuff to happen in this layer that I can lock later on. But I don't want black. So I'm going to hit the drop down. I'm going to go to that color I just saved, and I can start painting. As I'm going, I can decide that I want to change the size of my stroke, or even the width profile. And just remember, everything's going to get cut off at the artboard. So that's okay for that brush. I'm going to go back to my selection tool. I'm going to select this other brush, the one that kind of looks like wings. I can see it has all the settings populated up here. I'm going to click off so I don't modify that brush stroke. I'm going to go to my painting layer so it's currently active. So everything I do now will go on that painting layer. And I'm change the color. Let's change this to that light blue we have. Go to the brush tool and let's start adding some brush strokes. Again, I can change things as I go along. All right, a lot of stuff going on here. And it'd be really annoying for the next steps if I try to click on something that all this would get in the way. Luckily, I did everything on the painting layer, so I can just lock it. Now, when I start to move or drag or go to the next step, nothing will get selected, nothing will move. Additionally, let's say that you made a mistake and you have some of these objects on the wrong layer, right? So let's say some of the stuff is, instead of being on our painting layer, it's in our layer 1. So you can see what that looks like. All I have to do is select all of these objects, everything. I can right click on my layer. Oh no, I can, where's the button? Create new sublayer, save selection, mark reliefs. I'm just gonna edit cut, go to my painting layer, and go to edit paste. That way everything will just be in the layer. Again, I can lock it. Now it's not going to be my way when I go to the next step. That's it.